I'm now going to talk about the speech editor. The speech editor lets you edit the button title and modify the spoken message and the auditory prompts message. Now, by default, when you create a button, if you use a PCS symbol, the title for a button is the title that you selected when you selected the PCS button. And when you create the button, the spoken and scanning settings are the same as settings. Now what this means is, for the spoken message, for the speech, you can have the speech be the same as the button title. You can make a separate spoken message from the button title, or you can make a recording. So with the same as setting, the button message, the spoken message is the same as the button title.
More.
For the TTS setting, or the text-to-speech setting, you can enter your own message here, and
More stuff.
the button will speak this message whenever a button is pressed, or the button is, or when you add buttons to the message window, when someone speaks the message window, this text will be used instead of the button title. Finally, you can record
More.
a separate message. So you can have one of three settings for your spoken message. Likewise, the scanning setting has the same three settings, same as text-to-speech and recording. What's different though is it will use your auditory prompt voice. So here I have it set to a much deeper voice than the spoken settings. So when I tap the button,
More.
it uses the auditory prompt voice. Same with the TTS setting. You can create your own separate auditory prompt message,
A bit more.
and it will speak that during scanning. So here, this button has the word more as a title. However, it's configured, and right now it's configured for same as,
More.
and it will speak the more. We go over here and change this to text-to-speech with its separate message. Tap the button,
More stuff.
and it will speak the separate text-to-speech message. Finally, set it to recording, and it will speak the recording.
More.
Lastly, you can turn the title display on and off by tapping that switch, the show title switch, and that will simply remove the title from the button. Turn it back on. Turn it back to same as, and we're back
More.
to the beginning. So that's the speech editor.